Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error, VAN 1067. Now, step 1, basically restart your PC. Sometimes, by simply restarting your computer, and sometimes resolve the VAN 1067 error by reinitializing the Vanguard service. So this problem itself focuses on the Vanguard service. Next up, run League of Legends as an admin. So to make this work, I'm going to choose, for example, this Minecraft. Right click right there and run as admin. And that's it. Easy as that. Alright? So ensure secure boot is enabled for step 3. That will be Windows R. I'm just going to click on this one. I'm going to click on Windows R right there. This one right here. Play it, click on OK. And look for the one that says System Boot. So in the system summary, check if the secure system boot is on. As you can see right here, system boot should be around here somewhere. And make sure it's going to be enabled. It's going to be easy as that. Alright? Next up, step 4, reinstall Vanguard. So open Control Panel, Programs and Features, find and install Riot Vanguard. Let me try this one right here even though I don't have the game. So with Programs, click on Uninstall a Program. Look for Vanguard. So I do not have it, so let's just say this BlueStacks is Vanguard. I'm going to simply click on Uninstall for this one. And basically moving forward, I can reinstall it. Now update your Windows for step 5 by simply going to Windows Update. I'm going to type in here update right there. And right now Windows 10 actually is now checking for updates. And as you can see right here, I'm currently up to date. Next one, check for TPM and Secure Boot compatibility for Windows 11 users only. Now type Windows R, this code right here, and press enter. Make sure TPM is available and enabled. Refer to your motherboard manual to enable TPM in BIOS and if necessary. Step 7, lastly, this is going to be list that's going to happen because after everything that's happening above, I'm sure that your Vanguard is going to be fixed. However, for worst case scenario, please contact the right support, but I doubt this will reach this problem. I think but just by using restart your PC in step number 2, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.